I'll wait, Mommy. You can sit next to me.
You gonna read?
Yes.
All right, what you reading?
Beneath.
Beneath. Okay. Let's see what you know. That girl's smart.
Okay.
Let's see.
I got this. For my dad. Beneath. I can't read that one. I don't know what that
That's the author's name. All right.
What did that say?
Finn.
Finn was in a... What's that thing?
Sound it out. Sound it out.
Say the sound and say the first sound.
What's the first sound?
H.
Okay, so how's that sound?
For horse.
Okay, so H-O-R.
Horrible.
Good job!
Mood. Grandpa would...
No.
Was...
Don't look at me. Look at the word. Sound it out like you did the other big one.
Wanted to go talk about this.
Talk about what?
Talk about...
What word is that? What?
Talk about...
Talk about it.
It.
Girl, you just coming up with words now. Don't try to guess what they're saying based off the phrase. Just read what you see.
Grandpa was to talk about...
Grandpa wanted
to talk about...
What's that word?
It.
Okay.
Finn did not know you were upset.
Nope. What word is that?
Won't upset.
No, sound it out. You're just guessing. Sound it out. What's the first sound?
What?
That's a U, not a W. That look like a W?
No.
So where you get what from? I'm pointing at this, not this. What sound does the N make? So what sound does the D make?
Duh.
So stand. Understand. You get it? You see how the sounds make? Understand. Good job.
No one.
Wait, I can't see. Okay. Read it.
Wait.
No.
Wait. What if we just go for a walk?
Good job.
Grandpa asked. Please. Fine.
It's Finn. So 2 N's, there's no E right there. So that's fine right there. You see that? See the difference? That one has the E.
And this, I noticed something because this one has no, this one has one N, but the N, and then there's a period, but this one does not have a period.
Yeah, this one is 2 N's, so it's just Finn. This one has an E after the N, so it's fine.
Okay.
I can see how you get it mixed up, but that's Finn.
Finn lets out a long...
Let's try to sound it out. Sigh. Yeah, that one's kind of hard to sound out because GH, you really can't. But so sigh. Okay.
Fine, but I'm. What did that?
Sound it out. This one.
Oh.
What's that word?
Staying.
Staying.
Saying. under here.
Okay. Wait, you got words down here.
Don't worry, said Grandpa.
Mm-hmm.
I remember to think of. Wait, what did I think?
Go sound it out, girl. What's
What? Bunny.
okay?
Grandpa. Wait, we didn't show them to them.